We're talking all about competition stick fighting, what it is. I'm going to show you some tools. I'm going to show you some gear. I'm going to pull Bob out here. I'm going to show you some target areas that are legal and illegal, show you a couple moves. And so if you're ready, go ahead, sit back, relax, and let's get to it. Okay, let's start off with looking at the gear that we'll need for competition stick fighting. So we do have a vest, protective vest, and it is some kind of a material, padded material, has a zipper here. On the back, it has elastic going down, and so when we have this, it's closed up, and then more or less, this is going to be a target area that we're going to be aiming for most of the time. And then with our headgear, we do have a mask. Shield our face, headgear all the way around. If we spar, you know exactly how the headgear works. Show you that. This is a very old set. I've had this since I was a color belt. Let's look at the tool now. So here's the Bung Bung E. If you guys saw my last couple videos on strikes, then this is the same tool that I use with that one. It is just, I believe it's a small PVC core with a water noodle up on top. And then if you look closely, a rubber handle. And then this is just electrical tape because I wanted it nice and tight and I didn't want this bottom part to unravel on me. And then, of course, remember, we want to have a nice tight grip right up on the base of the weapon. And then this is how we hold it, and this is our tool here. It's sewn on the top part. We could hit each other with these, and it's actually a pretty fun activity in class as well. So let's start with legal spots on Bob first. So head, legal spots all the way around Bob's head. Let's come down to the body, legal spots on Bob. Let's go down to the legs, legal, no problems around the leg, either with the arms as well. Hit the arms if they're in your way. Arms are legal too. Let's go with illegal spots, and I bet you know where they are. One, throat. Nothing around the throat. Soft areas, we don't want to harm our competitors. So throat shots, illegal. Cannot do them. Stay away from them. Stabbing to the face. Can't do it. Can't stab to the face. Stab to the body, that's okay. You can stab all the way around the body that you want. Stab to the face, no go. Don't do that one. And then, of course, south end, stay away from groins. Illegal. Don't touch them. Illegal. You'll get docked a point. Maybe a disqualification if you're a hunter. So stay away from those. All right. So with that all being said, let's show you a couple moves now. This is the only one that you'll need as a beginner. This is 90% of our striking is just a chopping strike. We just chop, strike different areas of our opponent as we're stick fighting with them. Okay, so if you didn't look at my video, go ahead and watch that one. I'll put it in the links below. I'll give you a little bit more insight on the target strike or the chopping strikes in that. But real simple, it's just strike and then just bring it back. Okay, nice target, bring it back, target, bring it back, target, bring it back. So we want to strike and then bring our body close together, move. We have to try not to get ourselves hit. So it's a in and then back out as quick as we can. You can only maybe do 2 moves at a time before they start coming in at you because, of course, that danger zone, the bubble that I always talk about, we're going right into that bubble. But now we have a little bit of a reach. They have the same amount of reach as we do, maybe even a bit longer if they're taller than us. They have a little bit longer reach. So we're going in and out of the danger zone pretty frequently with this kind of style of stick fighting. So we have to go in, bam, one move, and then just move back out. Get yourself out of the danger zone, and then set yourself up for the next technique. Set your opponent up for the next technique. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just get in there, strike once, get out, circle, set yourself up, set your opponent up for your next couple strikes, and hopefully win the match at the end. All right. Pretty simple there. Not a lot to it. It's just takes a lot of practice, a lot of work, a lot of sparring. So, not a whole lot to competition stick fighting. It can get complicated if you want to, but it really doesn't need to. 1, 2 different strikes is all you'll need. The proper gear. Just know your target areas where you can strike, where you can't strike. And yeah, pretty simple. So if you have any questions, any concerns, go ahead, put them in the comments below. Until next time, train hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.